my video. Today I'm gonna be playing Capture the Egg. So basically, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be capturing an egg, but it's gonna be plus with cops and robbers. So everybody gets a single revolver. Cops go to your base. Criminals go to your base. All right. So our base is the selling machine right here.
Wait, a single revolver?
Yes, a single revolver.
Oh.
It's a single revolver, guys. Single revolver.
Yeet.
You did not make the.
Get ready. It's about to start. All right, we're starting the game in 3, 2, 1, go. They have a rocket launcher, bro. Of course they do.
Oh, heck. I mean, if they're playing dirty, why can't we? Oh!
This ain't even fair, bro.
I almost got.
Yo. I'm about to get their egg. I'm about to get their egg. I'm about to get their egg. I'm about to get their egg.
Did you bring the bag into the base?
No, their egg just disappeared. Your egg just disappeared, bro. Alright, let's say this is the egg. 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 I'm zooming. I'm zooming. I'm zooming. One point for cops, guys. 1 point for cops. Yeah, it's 1 point for cops.
Didn't we say no, like, explosives? Like, only revolver?
I got your egg. I got your egg. Okay.
I'm flying.
Alright, the light is the egg. Yo, the light is the criminal's egg because their egg disappeared. I think our egg no. Our egg's still here. Y'all have to grab our egg and go to your base. Alright, we're winning right now. Alright, we're winning. I don't have anything.
Where's our...
I'm about to get the egg. Bro. What?
No!
Get his egg, get his egg. 1 point for criminal. 1 point for criminal. Yo, put the egg back. Put the egg back. Yes!
Yes! 1.4! 1.4!
If the egg stays there for a minute, that's another point. But for if the cops take it, it's our point.
Chill.
Go, hit the revolver. I hurt my finger. I'm gonna be out for a second.
2 points for cops.
Oh.
Go
I
protect
stubbed
the
my
egg.
finger.
No, you can't do that. You have to go back to your base. You can't do that.
Oh.
I'm gonna be out for a second. I hurt my finger.
Alright, I'm counting down. No, that's cheating. Exactly. Stop cheating, buddy. Yo, that's cheating! No, it isn't! Yes, it is!
I just got hit!
Yes, it is. No, cheese ball's cheating.
I just came from my bed.
I know, but cheese ball's cheating.
No.
No, I dropped my revolver.
No.
I dropped it. Oh, oh, crap. Oh, crap. No. It's scary, bro. My teammate's not even helping. Teammate.
I hurt my finger. I
Teammate, hurry.
I'm
Go,
trying
come
to-
on. I need your help. Yo, stop hogging, bro.
No.
When you walk out, you can't go back in safe zone.
I died.
No, you didn't. You're selling. Help!
what's up, Mr. Hopscotch?
3 points! 3 points! 3 points!
It didn't go in. It didn't go in.
It went in!
Everybody, get it in. No, it went in. It went in. If the yellow thing goes off, it went in.
Put it back in. Let's go!
Yay! We did it. I hurt my finger really bad.
Bro, y'all are cheating. Bro, where's the egg?
Where's the egg? Where's the egg? Uh-oh. Pause the game. Why not?
All right, let's say a light is the egg. The light here. Hold on. The egg launcher is the egg. The egg launcher is the egg. Yo, guys, the egg launcher is the egg, y'all.
Okay, okay. Everybody get back to the base.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you okay?
Actually, I have another egg. So hold on. I have another egg, so I can put another one in.
Found it.
All I need is money. I found the
It-
egg. No,
it's-
don't put it in. I found the egg. I found the egg.
All right.
I'll do it. I'm just kidding.
All right, go back to your base, y'all. Go back to your base.
Game starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I have to get some ammo. You're cooked. You're cooked.
Hey, got it.
Bro, get him!
Oh no.
1.5.
Ammo.
I don't know how many points that is, but... Alright, we need to go, bro. Come on, lock in. Lock in, cop.
Sorry about earlier, I hurt my finger. Should cops be on channel 9 and then robbers on 0?
Yes! Yes!
I got it.
Protect.
You can't go to safe zone. No.
No, team fight!
Take the egg. They only got 1 point. We can get through. No. Not here. Photo.
Yo, if you put our egg back, it's 1
I
point,
got it.
another 1 point. Yes, we got 2 points and they got 1. We got 2 points and they got 1. Y'all gotta go back to your base. Y'all gotta have to go back to your base. Y'all have to go back to your base, y'all. No,
I
stop!
saved it.
Stop cheating before I...
Hey, no.
Bro, I'm not gonna put your name inside the Discord. I'm not gonna put your name into the video if you don't stop.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You have to go back to your base.
Okay. I'm losing a lot of money.
It's alright, I'll get you a lot. The game starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, teammate, help protect. Just protect. We have the egg. We have the
I'll
egg. Just protect. No, come here. Up here. We have to protect up here. We gotta protect the egg.
Oh, I lost my light. Here.
Get him, get him. Yo, you're not supposed to have eggs. You just... I'm about to just take it a dip.
We just gotta protect it for a minute and we win. Wait, no.
Yeah, y'all got a minute and y'all win. Hurry up, bro. We need to hurry. We can't be slacking on the job. Yeah, we can't be slacking on the job. They already have a point. They have to hold it for a minute. And then they win. We can't. Can't let them win. They have 2 points. We have 2. There's no way you're still alive. There's no way you're still alive. There's no way you're still... There's no way! There's no way! Teammate, help! Teammate, help! Teammate, help! Teammate! Yes! Protect it for a minute! Protect it for a minute!
You got the egg.
Bro, what the freak? Go, go, go.
I got it.
Go, I'll protect, I'll protect. Exactly, buddy. Yes, 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 yes. Y'all have to go back to your base so y'all can get it. Y'all can't just walk up to our base and go get it.
Cheated.
No, y'all can't walk up to our base and just get it. Y'all have to go to your base.
Teammate cheated.
No, he didn't. Bro, that's cheating. Y'all have to go to your base just to take our egg. Y'all have to go back, go to your base, and then come back, bro. It's not fair.
So there's only
Just
one
protect
egg
it.
instead of 2.
We have 30 more seconds to protect it.
Okay, I'll be on front.
32, 33, 34, 5, 36, 37, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We win. No, you didn't. We won, bro.
You took it.
No, we won.
you
You're
didn't. You
cheating.
took it.
No, we won. Bro.
Go. Hope.
We won.
I'm sorry.
We won. There's no like excuses.
Alright, I hope y'all captured that moment. These kids are stupid.
You gotta.
Alright, we won the
You gotta
cops
show
won,
my names. Go to the
prisoners
lobby.
lost. These are my
Can we-
friends.
can we do another one?
We're doing the Discord thingy. This is me. That's
Just-
my
we
friend.
wanted to
That's
win the
Cheeseball,
GoPro.
and then a rap.
We want to win the free.
Alright.
We
We're trying to win the free GoPro. So yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and like and subscribe. Bye, guys.